Hey! Hi! Hello! Oh, over here now. Anywho, fun fact. I've tried to make a clock twice, and both times never succeeded. So third time's the charm. Yeah, let's do that. Funny story. This is hideous, by the way. I went to Goodwill, and the lady at the front desk said, "Ooh, that clock, I love it. Such a good find." And I was like, "No, I just need the mechanism for this. I could care less." So, I guess we just wait for the glue to dry. Fun fact, I used to be really into clocks and watches. That was kind of my fascination. I really enjoyed it. Thought it was really cool, intricate. It turns out I have very expensive taste and could never buy a watch. I was like, well, this is kind of boring, just looking at watches. Gotcha! You thought I was making a simple clock. It was good. I really liked it, but I had something else in mind, so fooled you. This was the plan all along. Off camera, I went to the steel yard and I picked up some steel, cut it in half using the angle grinder, and then used the angle grinder to smooth the edges. Then I wrap the steel around the wood. So wood is broken, I can no longer get an accurate kind of wrap around. So now we're in the second step of this project. Currently, I'm attaching both pieces. One I screwed to the ring, and the other I'm actually gluing. I'm using a two-part epoxy. Trying something different, so we'll see. think of a pun, but I'm running out of time. Okay, I'm kidding. I think the theme of this project was how can we make it better? I try to take something that is ordinary and do my own little spin, try to make it a little bit different. It's time for me to say goodbye. So until next time, BeeNeh. Yeah, this thing is just, I bought it just because how hideous it was, and I really can't have anyone else. Oh boy, it's awful.